In Revit, the site around a building is represented by a Topo Solid element. You can model a Topo Solid directly in Revit by establishing elevation points representing contours of the site, or you can also import a CAD file with 3D contour information to create a Topo Solid. In this video, we'll demonstrate how to create a Topo Solid directly in your model. The visibility of Topo Solids may be turned off in floor plan views, so first open a site view. On the Massing and Site tab, click Topo Solid. Use the tools on the Draw panel to sketch the boundary of the Topo Solid. In this case, we'll draw a rectangle. Click Finish when the boundary is complete. Now click Modify Subelements to alter the elevation of the points and edges creating the boundary. Select the edge on the left side and use the In-Canvas control to raise it to 6,000. Select the edge on the right, use the control on the ribbon to raise the elevation to 1,000 and press Enter. Now add points to further shape the Topo Solid. Click Add Point. Choose to add points along the surface with an offset or by an absolute elevation measured from the selected datum. In this example, place contour elevations based on the project base point. Set the elevation as you place the points representing the contours of the site. Notice, as you place points, you can see the elevation of the surface near the cursor. When you're done placing points, click Modify to complete the Topo Solid. You can see the contours displayed on the Topo Solid. Contour display is a type property of the Topo Solid. The layers making up the Topo Solid are controlled by changing the structure of the Topo Solid and are visible when the Topo Solid is cut, like in a section view. Topo Solids can be cut with other elements, such as a wall, foundation, or void mass elements. Use Topo Solids to represent site conditions in your model.